In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Gemini. First, open Gemini. You can launch the Gemini app on your phone or head to gemini.google.com in your web browser on desktop. Either way, you'll land in a chat-style interface where you can type and submit requests. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so images can generate quickly. If you're on mobile, updating the app helps ensure you're using the latest image features. Once you see the chat box, you're ready to go. Now, start a new image generation request by writing a clear, descriptive prompt in the chat. Think of your prompt as a creative brief. Include 4 essentials: your brand name, the design style you want, your color palette, and any symbols or themes that should appear. The more specific you are, the closer the result will be to your vision. Begin with your brand name so Gemini knows exactly what text to display. Next, define the style. Words like minimalist, modern, vintage, playful, or geometric instantly set the tone. For colors, choose a concise palette. Usually 2 or 3 is ideal, such as earth tones, black and white, or a specific combination like navy and gold. Then add symbols or themes that represent your brand. A coffee cup, a leaf, a camera, a lightning bolt, whatever ties to your identity. If you prefer a certain layout, you can mention that too, such as an icon above the text, a circular badge, a monogram, or a word mark. Here's a sample prompt you can use as a model. Create a minimalist geometric logo for a coffee shop named Brew and Bean with earth tones and a coffee cup icon centered above the text. Notice how it covers all the essentials in one clean sentence. It states the name, the style, the colors, the symbol, and even the placement. You can follow this structure for any industry by swapping the name, style, palette, and icon to fit your brand. A few quick tips as you write. Keep your language simple and direct. Avoid mixing too many styles at once, and stick to a limited color scheme to keep the logo versatile. If you have exact hues in mind, you can name them, like forest green or charcoal gray, to guide the result. Type your prompt into the chat and submit. That's it. Gemini will generate logo concepts based on your description. With a strong prompt, you'll get clean, on-brand visuals you can review and refine as needed. Enjoy exploring your new logo ideas in Gemini.